Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, let's make beef and cabbage stir fry together. Today, we're going to use a budget steak. So I will also share with you my method how to make it juicy and tender. Let's cook together. First thing first, let's prepare the beef. Now see these lines, and these are the grain. We want to cut against them, and this is the first step to make sure that the beef isn't get chewy. Since this is a cheaper cut, I'm going to use the Chinese cooking method, baking soda trick. About half teaspoon. Just add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. And then mix well until it absorbs all the water and the baking soda is evenly distributed. Let it hang out for about 10 to 15 minutes, and at the meantime we can start to prepare the rest. Okay, time's up. We need to rinse away the baking soda so we don't get the metallic taste. We do this several times. Make sure it is really dry to get a good sear afterwards. Time for flavor. We have light soy sauce for the saltiness, dark soy sauce for the gorgeous color, oyster sauce for the umami, and don't forget a cornstarch that making the velvet coating. And then mix well. A little oil at the end to prevent the slices from sticking together. While marinating the beef, let's tackle the veggies. Remove the core of the cabbage. Then slice the cabbage into about 1-inch length strips. Then use my hand to separate the layers so they won't stuck together. Cut the carrots into matchsticks. Today I'm cooking only for 2 lovers, a small quantity. Otherwise, I will use my large cast iron wok. Now the pan is on high heat. Nice and hot, and time to sear the beef. Ooh. Loosen it to make it into a single layer and let it undisturbed for about 45 seconds. Then toss it and cook at the other side for a short while, about 80% cooked, and remove it. Don't want to overcook the beef. Now look at the color, glossy and glittering. The beef is out. Now don't have to wash the pan because this flavor. Now the aromatics in. And then followed by the cabbage and stir fry over high heat. Now listen to the sizzling sound, it's very satisfying. And don't forget the carrots too. It looks like a lot, but it will wilt down. You do it about 1.5 to 2 minutes. And if you find that it is a little bit too dry, you can add just a little bit of water. Now it starts to wilt down. It is already turned color, but it's still crisp. And that's what we want, the crispiness of the vegetables in contrast to the meaty texture of the beef. Meanwhile, prepare a sauce for the final touch. some Chinese Shaoxing wine, a little bit of sugar to balance the flavor, a little bit of salt because we have not added any salt to the vegetable yet, and some ground white pepper, a little bit of water to mix it all up, and that is the final sauce that we'll add to the beef and the stir-fried cabbage. Now let the beef back in. And then add the sauce. And lastly, just drizzle a little bit of sesame oil, switch off the stove, mix everything together, and it is done. Look at that, tender beef, crunchy cabbage, and glittering sauce. Tender beef, crunchy and sweet cabbage, what a good combination. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you want to try this recipe at home, I have added the recipe in the description box below the video and also at the end of this video for you. Let me know how it turns out in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.